When you go with string literal, such an object is created in, this is important, string, we call it as string constant. Okay, this is important. String constant, what we call. But here, Sachin Tendulkar object is created. Created on heap. Already we came across with heap somewhere. Did you remember that? In the beginning, JVM architecture, heap, memory, whatever dot class files are there, it can be divided into how many parts? 4 or 5? Stack, native method interface. See, in JVM architecture it is there. What are they? Heap is there. All the objects are stored in heap. I used that word. All the objects are stored in, is it not? All the objects are stored in heap. I told you at that time. I will recollect that. I will recollect. Just you might have forgotten. Where is that? Yeah, here it is. In JVM architecture, it is present. I'll show you that again. 4 divisions are there, no? Class loader subsystem. You remember that? Class loader subsystem can be divided into, I'll show you that. Class loader subsystem is divided into what? It's opening, Wait. Method area, heap, and then see here it is. Method area, heap, native method interface, and registers will be there. PC counter registers. Yes, this is what I'm speaking. 5, sorry, not 4, 5. So class loader subsystem is divided into, here it is, dot class files will get loaded into 4 into class loader subsystem, and class loader subsystem consists of method area, all the methods, not only methods, in fact all the class code. Class consists of variables and methods, and all those variables and methods are stored here. They won't do any work here. That is method area. And then heap, yes, all the objects are stored in heap, is it not? All the objects are stored in heap. And then all the objects here, also object now, string str4 is equal to new string within brackets Sachin Tendulkar. That Sachin Tendulkar will go here, but only Sachin, it won't go here. It will go to string constant pool. Okay, even before execution of this, it will get executed quickly. So Java stacks, they will be executed here. Objects are stored here, methods are executed here, and every instruction will be having address. Those addresses are stored here, and this is nothing but C functions, native method stacks. So that's what it is. In the heap, it will be stored. Right, that is about that, nothing more than that. So I am deleting this portion. Okay, that is interview question also. Where is string stored? If you do in this way, in string literal, they will ask something about this string literal and new operator. What is the difference? What is the advantage of one over the other one? Like this, they can ask you. Otherwise, the other style is char style. Okay, fine. So here we will do some programs immediately. Yes, we'll start doing some programs on this. Still a lot of theory is there, and in between we'll do some, whenever it comes I will discuss along with interview questions. It will come generally. So we will do strings in all these ways. all these creations we will try. String demo. Don't use string. String is predefined. That's why I have added demo also to that. Accept any data from keyboard. So I'm not importing IO package. You can write anything. Yeah, also you can write in place of ARGS. I told you, right? Generally we write ARGS. Right. So all the three styles we try here. String str1 is equal to that. Because in your notes also I used that. You can understand easily. String str2. This is the other pattern, that is new. Creating string object. You can create object to string because string is a predefined class. Whenever you are given with a predefined class, you can create an object for that. So same thing I'm creating again, and then string string is no, not string. What is the other one? Char character array, string array. Str is equal to, in Java you need not put size also. It will come. Yes, you can go with a null character also, no problem. See, I will show you all these things. A comma and again slash 0. That's it. Otherwise, you can also try like this. 4 is equal to str5. In books, they won't write all these many ways. They may write first two in some books, first three in some other books. That's it. But these other ways are also correct. So mention that null character representing end of the string, and we can display all the strings. Display one by one. str1 first of all, and copy this statement repeatedly and paste it repeated number of times. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. Change the names. str2, str3, str. Let us check what is there in what. All these things are not. Save as string demo structure. Let us run this. So our path is different. We have to go back to here and type, what is that? CMD. Now it will come at least. Yeah, it came. So here, what is that? Java C space string demo dot java. These many mistakes, right? Here. What is not matching? str3, str4 problem. str5 also. Oh, this is style, it is not accepting. Incompatible types. Back slash maybe size. Let me check once. A long way back I have done this. These days we are not doing this. Okay. One thing. 4 here. Let me check. 4 here as well. And where it is pointing, let us see. style 4 and 5 it is pointing, 4 and 5 and 3, 3 4 5. Here also it is required. Sections it is not pointing, is it not? Don't use frequently. Oh, these many str 4 5 everything gone. Here also 4 if I put. Let me check one more time. Only with car there is some problem showing like that. It is not working. What happened? Car str3 4 VAT. Even the first style should come out. Wait, let me check one by one. I will check. Should get executed. For the initial that string size is not required there. In fact, so why this one it is showing string demo? Is it not properly placed? Public static coordinate string arg string str1 string str2 new string bat char str4. Even if I put here also, it seems that it is going to show some mistake. 1 2 3 4. Oh, 1 2 3 4 5 are not there. I am trying to display. That may be the problem. Wait. I have to put a comment for 5 and also for, because I am not using 4 and I am not using 3. 1 2 3. Oh, repetition is also there. That may be a problem. Yeah, I copied and pasted, right? str5 and str6. 6 styles I used here. Now at least let me check. Maybe first two at least, are they perfect or not? Let me check. 1 2 3 4 5. One more copy is required. Sixth one. Don't get confused. Only with car style somewhere I went wrong. Let me check. Let me check it back. I think we'll clear the screen. CLS. Sorry. Oh, again, it is repeatedly showing. Save the program. No, it's not. Then I do one thing. I put comment here as well and put comment here also, so that 1 and 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Only 2 open, 3 also let me open. At least this 1 2 3. With char style there may be some problem. I do like that. Somewhere I have done a mistake. I cannot see what. Wait. What happened? Second to this. Even this problem, str3. Oh, I should put a comment here. That is okay. That will come. But char it is not accepting. Yeah, remaining all these two are working fine. Char, what happened? What is wrong in that? Char, str, okay. Maybe size is not required. Let me check one by one. Exact shape you will get. System, if you are having system before you, you can do all these things. Yes, that is correct. First, whatever I have written, that is correct. In C++, we can write size here, but here we should not write size. Don't put size. Yes, this will also come. Let me check. str3, I will check. And str4 also I will check. First of all, slowly I will release. Maybe that size factor may be there. Otherwise, they would have would be fine. Yeah, it is working fine. So this should also work then, is it not? And this should also work. Only size I have given, that is a problem. You're observing, I think, right? Closely. Now it should come. Oh, still it is not accepting this style. Wrong. 5 and 6 it is not accepting. 5 and 6 problem with 5, 6. This style it is not accepting. Okay, maybe. In C++, it will come, I think. Okay, these two it is not accepting. I will try it later on. These two not allowed, it seems. C++ we used to do like that also. But in Java, these two, okay, char, this is style and these two, okay. It is not accepting this. Maybe, right. Understood? First, second, third, fourth, allowed. 5, 6, not allowed. Maybe, right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now I wish to tell you one thing. Let me copy this much portion, only this much portion. I need to explain one thing. Copy. That is an interview question also. Let me explain. That is very important. And yeah, before going to that, before going to interview question, I do one thing. Tomorrow I will complete that interview question, but I close the session with a small issue here. That is, see what I'm doing. System dot ln, see what I am doing. Str1, I want to find the length of the string. Str1 dot, there is a method called as length. In command line arguments we used same length, but their length is not a method, it is a property. Command line arguments, their args is an array. Here also it is array, right? So you can use. But here str1 is not array, it is string array, string name, it is string name. So if you are dealing with a string, we use method. Length, please remember, length method. Method means this, you have to put brackets. It is used on string. Right. Now see what I'm doing. Let me copy same thing. For str2 also will work. But str3 slight modification. What is that modification? I will show you. str2 also allowed. Same length method is allowed. Let us write semicolon, semicolon. And here for the last style, str3, this will not work. This will work. What is the difference? See here. Length property. ఉదాహరణకి ఒకటి రాస్తే పంచేది అంత డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంది ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ స్ట్రింగ్ అండ్ క్యార్. దట్ మచ్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఈస్ దేర్ బిట్వీన్ స్ట్రింగ్ అండ్ క్యార్. If you take string style, string data type, then go with the length method. If you take char data type, primitive data type, methods are not allowed. Take property. Okay, length is not. That's the difference you should, because in programs we frequently use, not only here, in the coming days also, somewhere I use this property, sometime I use this length method also. But that difference is there. In collection framework also I tried. In some of the programs I not remember now. I'll check later on. So sometime I will use, sure, with the time I can tell you, right? So that is one thing. Now let me close this. Let's save the program with the demo one this time. One dot. Let me run this. So you know the length is 3 all the time, is it not? The length is 3 every time. In 3 cases, in all the 3 cases, the length is going to be 3. See, I'll get 3, 3, 3. Got it? 3, 3, 3. Because it is bat. Bat means 3 characters are used. Null character is not taken into account. But still, that size is required, but it won't be taken into. I mean, one more is there, but it won't show you that. Right. So length and length, the difference you have to observe. If you move with the length method, you should have taken string data type, advanced type of data. If you move with the length property, you should have gone with the char data type. That is the difference. Char key length method will not work for char. And For string, length property will not work. You can try, you cannot succeed there, right? So this is all about on today. Tomorrow we'll do more. I had some guest lecture on tomorrow on Python. That's why I'm closing this quickly. I have to prepare some PPTs for that. So tomorrow I try to spend 15 minutes extra. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, in this week, from tomorrow onwards, any 2 days at least, I will take 15 minutes extra. 15 to 15 minutes maybe. Okay. Okay, thank you. So once I complete strings, I will send you entire notes. In the meantime, whenever you are listening, you can take some pics in the meantime if you want. Okay. So thank you.
Okay.